How to insert a video in Google Docs. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, on the Google Play Store application on your device and tap on the search bar to search for Google Docs. So let's search for Google Docs over here and make sure we have an updated version of the application. So as you can see, we have an update available, so you can just tap on update and start updating the application. After the app gets updated, what you can simply do is launch the Google Docs application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, if you want to just insert a video in the Google Docs, simply tap on the plus icon, choose your new document, and here you can just see the plus icon at the top of the screen, so select on that. Next, you can scroll down and here you can see there are different options like image, link, but there is no option to insert a video. So you can just add any sort of links over here, maybe of your YouTube or any other video sources, and that's how you can insert a video link but not a video in Google Docs. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.